Welcome back. And if you stumbled on this video, I'm Abel, and so are you. We're going to take a closer look here at this multi-tool from Milwaukee. 6-in-1, let's see here. Part number 48223079. We got the rimmer, bolt cutter, loop maker, wire stripper, wire cutter, and pliers. See if we got anything on the back here. It'll strip 8 to 18 on the solid and 10 to 20 on the stranded. So these here they're on the smaller side, very compact. Guys know I have a medium-sized hand, and these are spring-loaded, so they open up. I like that, as opposed to something being stiff and you gotta every time until you break it in. This is just automatically opens. I like that. As you can see, your solids 8 to 16, stranded 10 to 20. These cut pretty good too. Your plier here. And this is going to be more of your needle nose. And you got your ridges there for your rimming. Look at that cut. Look at that blade in the middle. You see how that closes like an eyelid? That means when you're doing stranded, all your strands of copper will fall into place and cut more accurately and more evenly with that eyelid. See that eyelid? It just closes. Nice. And you can do some screws here. 8/32 and 6/32 on your loops. And it says here, warning, do not use on live circuits. For all you guys that like to cut live wires, Milwaukee says that's a no-no. But these grips are wonderful. I love these grips. Not heavy at all, but you know you got something, you know you got a tool in your hand. Got your lanyard holes there. If you want to tie that down to yourself so you don't drop it from any distances. Got your lock here in the middle with your spring. You can see that spring. So, you know, for some of you guys that don't like that action there, you can pluck that spring out, knock that pin through, take that lock off, and then these will just fall around like your K-nips. But these are nice. Very nice. I know Milwaukee's not been making electrical tools for too long, but hey, these are good. These are definitely good. I love the feel of them. So I just wanted to give you guys a nice look. As you can see, teeth there. And you see here at the very end, you don't have your ridges here. That's for pulling out your fuses. Just grab those little fuses, pull them out. Or if you had wire that you were trying to pull out, like maybe on a thermostat, and you didn't want to damage those wires with these teeth here, you can grab the very end of it, pull those wires on out of the wall. If they're down, you know, too deep in there and not giving you enough wire, you can just pull on them a little bit. But guys, nice. So let's see if they have any warnings that we can look at. And we can't really get in. There we go. Always wear your eye protection, guys. You know how I feel about eye protection. Let's see if we can see something. Yeah. Do not use on live wires, fellas. So, I hope that was, you guys got a good look at these. Of course, the only thing these don't have is crimpers. If this had a crimper on it, wow. But you know, he's got a big brother. And the big brother has a crimper. Maybe we'll take a look at him next. Well, with that being said, thanks for watching. And remember, thumbs up.